Yeah, excuses. Excuses, lagay natin. All of them are excuses, isn't it? So basically, the reason is, kaya siya ganyan, we allow it to develop the habit of reacting sa labas. Yun lang yun. We let it react. Hindi natin kinokontrol yung mind. If we know how to put it at rest, then it's a big difference. Really big difference. It's as if yung rest na yun is equivalent to your sleep. Hindi ka napapagod. Kasi marunong ka mag-rest ng mind mo. Pag sinabi kong rest, that's different from sleep. Sleep is for your body. Right? Rest of the kasi pwede ka naman matulog, di ba? Pwede ka matulog pero pag gising mo parang pagod ka pa rin. Bakit? Because yung mind mo, ito yung laman pa rin. Di ba? Kahit manood ka pa ng ilang pelikula, makatulog ka in front of TV. Pag gising mo, pag sinabi nating rest, this is where meditation comes in. Agree? And that's why you're here? O yan, so yan yung input natin about the mind, which you need to know, you need to acknowledge, and accept, and then change. So what is meditation? From my experience, there are 3 things. Number 1, meditation makes you mindful. Uso ngayon tong word na to, di ba? Mindfulness. Especially sa Buddhist. What does mindful means? Hindi pakialamero, ha? Hindi rin OC na, oops, pakiayos mo nga to. Sensitive? Hindi. Living in the moment. You're here in the moment. You're not bemoaning the past or spoiling your future. You're here. Pag kumakain ka, nginunguya mo, nilalasahan mo siya. Heightened awareness. Kasi ngayon yung mga tao, tignan niyo kung tama yung mga tao ngayon, pag kausap mo sila, they look away, they listen half, and they speak twice. Nagets niya? Because wala attention. Kaya yung anak ko, Daddy, kasi ganyan-ganyan pero nakatingin sa taas, kasi hinahanap niya yung point of visualization niya, ma-concentration niya para masabi niya yung gusto niya masabi. Actually. Hindi, ibig sabihin, hindi relax. Hindi siya relax. Or may tinatago. Di ba? Listen half. Ay, Daddy, nagets ko na. Nagets ko na anong ibig mo sabihin. Tapos, mamaya-maya babalik. Daddy, ano nga pala uli yun? O, Daddy, saan pala nakalagay yung susi ng car ng pinapakuha mo? Pero sasabi mo na, isn't it? Speak twice. Explain. Cannot drive at to the essence ng situation. Daming explanation para lang masabi niya kung ano yung dapat niya sabihin. Pero sa totoo lang, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth. So we should be listening more twice than speaking it, isn't it? So probably yun yung gawa ng nature para, di ba? Tama. Pero hindi natin ginagawa. Nakikita na niya siya. So si mindfulness allows you, because you're mindful, you're there, you can listen to a person speaking, you can get the essence from what she's speaking. Nakikita mo, nakukuha mo yung perspective ng tao. Hindi basta-basta lang nag-assume ka. Nawawala yung assumptions. Kasi mayroong ganun, di ba? Pag yung asawa ko, pag nanonood ng pelikula, gusto niyang tinitignan yung ending kasi gusto na niya malaman kaagad kung ano yung nangyari. So it's assume. Denny, alam ko na ba't nagkaganyan yan. Kasi ganito. Kasi nanonood tayo, pwede ba sa dialogue? Yeah? And we're quick to blame. Yun yung nangyayari because we're not mindful enough. Mindfulness comes from the Sanskrit word simriti. Translated, it means as awareness or something that you remembered here in your memory track. Just keep on remembering. And hindi kailangan may remember that you're a peaceful soul. Yun lang yun. To make you mindful. Nakikita niyo yung connection? Yan. Okay, number 2. Meditation comes from the word mederi. It's Latin. Mederi means to heal. Why ano yung kailangan i-heal? The mind? Yes. Heal what is corrupted. Okay, let's just put this definition. I-heal natin kung ano yung naging corrupted, ano yung naging ill, ano yung naging disease. Ano yung naging disease at corrupted? Sabi ni Joy, mind. Any idea pa? Jing? Your peace? No, peace is always there. It's quite pure in the sense, hindi yan nasisira. Consciousness, malapit na tayo. Al? Hindi, the inner being is pure. He's okay. It's all good. Your thoughts? Partly, yes. Ang hinahanap nating word is your vision. Yung vision nyo sa sarili ninyo. Yun yung hinihil ng meditation. Hindi yung soul, kayo yung soul. Yung soul is pristine. It's pure. Di ba? Hindi siya nakokorrupt. Pero yung pananaw niya, corrupt. Right now, this is it. This is the key. You think of yourself as a body. But sabi ni Om Shanti, you are a soul. So pag tingin mo sarili mo as a body, you think of yourself as a thing. Therefore, you're an object. Pag soul ka, ang tingin mo sarili ay soul, ang vision mo sarili mo ay soul, yeah, you are you're not a thing, you're not an object, but a soul. A spirit, sabi nga ni Joy, spirit. Yeah?
That's the same soul and spirit.
Yeah, it's the same. Opo. That you are something living. You are a being, living being. While this one, when you see yourself as the body, di ba when you face the mirror, ang nakikita mo naman yung mukha mo, di ba? At alam mo, ito yung definition ni Denny. Yeah. But actually, it is non-living kasi it's made of earth. Di ba? Human being, the word human, comes from the word humus, meaning of earth, soil. So like, this one is made of different soil, compact soil, itong wood na to. So it has no life, isn't it? It has no life. Pero si soul, meron. So this one is just described by your features, your physical features. While si living being, you're a point of light. Star, you're a point of light. Spiritual energy. Therefore, you're living. You cannot be created nor destroyed. Sabi sa science yan, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. While this one, the time will come, babalik sa, yung katawan natin, babalik din sa lupa. Diba? Your body is tangible. Dini-differentiate ko siya. It's tangible. Pero yung si soul, bakit intangible? Yeah, it's an energy. It's subtle, no? Pero alam nyo, because of this one, your mind, you can actually realize or perceive kung ano yung soul, kung ano yung itsura nyo. And right now, nabanggit ko kanina, you're a point of light, a star. Yeah? This one's subject to entropy, which means, nung pinanganak kayo, you're young, and then 90, entropy, subject to time and space. Whilst dito, you're not. The soul remains the same. It's constant. Very constant. And then last one. Si soul, sinasabi niya sa sarili niya, sinasabi pala niya, this is my body. Tinutukoy niya yung body. My forehead, my body. Pero si body, hindi niya pwedeng sabihin, no? Kasi wala nga siyang buhay eh. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin, this is my soul. So, just to tie it all up. In meditation, okay, we become mindful. Your awareness is heightened. You can able to filter kung ano yung nangyayari sa challenges na humaharap sa'yo. Pag problema, find solution ka agad. Hindi tayo natatrap ng, kasi ba't ganun? Ba't ganyan nangyari? We have employee who is quite old, he's 62, but still driving, no, as a driver. Kasi ayaw naman namin siya i-retire, ayaw din niya mag-retire, so i-drive siya. Every time ko siya bibigyan ng directions, I always tell him, Mang Pap, meron po tayong collection. Pakialala niyo po ha, pakikuha po. Pero before, ang ginagawa ko before, Ma'am Pap, may collection, wag niyo pong kalimutan. Ano mangyayari? Yeah, so see how the mindful mind works? It can be just a habit, isn't it? Wala namang mali doon sa sinabi ko na wag niyo pong kalimutan. Yes, so see how meditation elevates the way you think. That's mindfulness. Isn't it? Pag may kausap ka, meron kang, may sa toll gate lang. Di ba yung mga tao monotonous, gano'n. When you say, hi, sabihin ng toll gate, mindfulness. Second, meditation allows you to separate the distinction between the soul and the body. Yes, you are the soul inside the body. That's why you're called human being. Yeah. And that is true. Pero whilst you're there in your body, you now understand bakit. Kaya when you talk to someone, I talk to Girly, I'm not talking to Girly because she's my boss, because she's my friend or my wife, or someone else, popular, or I'm a fan, she's a star. When I talk to her, I use this, what we call virtues. Love, peace, and happiness, patience, kindness, tolerance, enthusiasm, sweetness, zeal, intuition, determination. This is what I'm using to connect with Girly as a soul. Kasi yun din yung meron siya eh. Girly must have a, 3 yachts. Wala ako nun. Kung yun yung nakikita ko at may pag-usap ko kay Girly, how would I approach Girly? Di ba? Sir, ma'am, maganda pong yacht nyo, gano'n. Suddenly you feel so low compared to Girly. Pero even if Girly is the president of San Miguel, Girly also needs love, peace, and happiness, isn't it? So that's where we are coming at when we are here. So, yun yung ginagamit. That's why even if ang kausap mo is matanda, bata, Bombay, Arabo, marunong, hindi marunong, andun yung respect. Yeah. Kasi hindi mo tinitignan yung positions ng mga tao. Definitions. This is meditation. Lastly, it's more than this actually. Lastly, before we go to meditation, it's more than this. We're also using the word, what we call yoga. Meditation introduces us to ourselves, and that's true. But more than that, there's this word we call yoga. What does yoga mean? Union, yes! Connection, union. So when we say union, ano ibig sabihin nun? There's someone receiving and there's someone giving. It's a give and receive relationship. So which means you, the soul, connects
To the higher.
to one who is high above you. The higher being, sabi nga. God. Who is the ocean of peace, ocean of all virtues. Kaya yung peace na yun, pag nag-meditate ka, hindi lang dahil meron ka, but because nakukuha mo na ngayon, yung binibigay ng Diyos sa'yo. And that's meditation. In my year series sa Brahma Kumaris, many people, and yun yung sasabihin ko sa inyo, many people would say, Denny, ba't kalmado ka, no? I mean, may nag-cut na sa'yo, pero steady ka lang. At hindi ka ba yung... Hindi, di ba? Umulan, bumagyo, kumidlat, but you're stable. Hindi ka na antig. Kasi alam mo, that will pass. This is the help. Nakwento ko sa inyo kanina sa business namin, sa Kimang Pops, di ba? Kaya yung dalawa kasi kami nag-handle ng business, yung eldest at saka ako. I'm the youngest of 4. So yung eldest, tsaka ako, si eldest yung big boss. Pero you know what, sabi ng mga employees ko, mas madalas sila lumapit sa akin. Kasi they feel, para daw akong nanay. Whereas doon sa kapatid ko, natatakot sila. Kasi yung kapatid ko, he doesn't know this, he's using what? He's using position, his anger, para to control situations. Sumunod kayo. Kung hindi, ganyan. Whereas, on my side, ito ginagamit ko, kaya they can explain and I will listen, no? Open to suggestions and things like that. Big difference. Big difference. Pero kaming employee, retirable naman na siya. Ayaw niya mag-retire. Sir, anong gagawin ko sa bahay? Dito lang ako, masaya pa tayo. Diba? So you get all of these sorts of blessings from them. Because you know, peace is not something static. It's actually alive and dynamic. It's moving through you. Eh so kung nagme-meditate ka at nakukuha mo yan sa Diyos, at alam mo na meron ka, na people can depend on you about that, then you're a conduit for that energy, for that love. So, I know I have to go through this. Is that okay? Okay lang sa inyo? Kasi syempre, iba yung may experience tayo, isn't it? Pero before we go that, any questions at all? Nagets ninyo? Nagets ninyo? I want you to challenge your mind. Si mind kasi, it's like a little child. Galaw siya ng galaw. Di ba yung bata? Hindi mapakali. Ganon din yung mind natin kasi nasanay siya. Nasanay siya. From the time na tinuruan tayo nung nanay natin, hindi naman natin sila pwede sisihin. Hanggang ngayon, ganon yung style natin. Just react. Wherein, anything that's happening outside, you can just disengage, you step back. At makapansin mo, all of those, many things will just fade into the background kasi hindi naman pala sila importante. Kaya ngayon, si mind mo, konti lang ang may isip niya. Not necessarily na wala kang iniisip, pero yung mapipili ng mind mo na importante, hindi nang pagtutuunan niyang pansin. For example, when you wake up in the morning and you commute, isn't it? Anong una niyong gagawin bago kayo lumabas ng bahay? Pray, yes. Good answer. Ano pa? Di ba kailangan magbilang muna kayo kung meron kayong barya? That's mindfulness. But this is what happens when you meditate. All of this, naiisip ninyo, and pag naisip nyo na, bilang na, go na. Pero kasi meron taong naisip na niya, pero teka. Kunin ko muna yung ano ko. Sandali, may sabihin ako sa nanay ko. Kita mo yung mind na ganon? Kung saan siya nadadala. Si meditation allows you to be organized. Good answer. Organized. Okay, questions? Do you want some, let's have some experience, meditation? Okay. May first timers, no? Al, Carms, and the rest. Sige. Let's have some meditation. Yes, please, Joy.
I'm a practicing psychiatrist.
Opo.
And I have a lot of patients who have Alzheimer's
Mm-hmm.
and addicts and schizophrenics.
Mm.
I'm just wondering, I've always been wondering if yoga may help people.
Okay, one thing, if they have the right frame of mind to, like you guys here right now, can understand. Kasi sometimes like schizo,
They don't have the right, not unless they're
it's not complete. Oh, it's not complete. Not yet complete. In perspective.
They do, they go into dormant, but it's not possible.
Not yet.
Kasi
Not yet.
One reason why because I want to help my patients because ano na siya, sila overdrugged na.
Yes.
I can give them medications, they the delusions and hallucinations will stop. But once you remove it,
I understand.
ano naman. So I'm just trying to, I'm 70 years old, sabi ko, ano ba yung gagawin ko sa mga pasyente ko?
Opo.
Nasawa na sa gamot, no, sila na ang liver sa gamot, and the relatives just left everything to me.
Oh, okay.
No, kasi parang rejected sila. They're rejected by their own families. So I'm planning to put up a healing spa where I intend to put up mga other courses of treatment,
Opo.
yoga. I was thinking it can be what kind of yoga will I be doing?
Opo.
Will I do with these people?
Well, basically, yung yoga dito natin, it really deals with the mind, no? Kailangan natin yung mind to especially concentrate.
So the mind has to be healthy.
Correct.
So if with unhealthy minds, yoga will not work.
Will na. Pero po, Ma'am Joy, here's an experiment you may want to try. Sometimes you can just create an atmosphere of silence
That's what I
where,
do with them. I
where
play
they are.
music,
Oh.
I play
No, music is still music. Music elevates your feelings, depends on the tune. At yung gumawa ng music, nandun yung kanyang
Kasi the present
Emotions.
with the history, so I'm in the convention or summer outside the Philippines, it's psycho-spiritual.
Opo.
No? So that's the approach that we are doing now. In fact, I'm being invited to attend to addicts.
Okay.
No? But sabi ko, wow, can I handle it? I have to really use a lot of approaches here.
Opo.
No?
One thing for them that I notice is,
I play music. I play music therapy and aromatherapy, lahat na nagawa ko. Touch therapy. Now there's something laughter therapy that's
there is. There
but
is.
that is for the depressed, more for the depressed rather than the really psychotic ones.
That is why it is so difficult. It can be difficult, really difficult,
Very difficult.
pag sinabi natin nawawala tayo sa ating sarili. Because this is a product of traumatic experiences sa mga ano niyo po, may inaalagaan niyo po.
Sometimes it's hereditary.
Hmm.
It runs in the
Unfortunately, no?
So I really feel depressed about my patients. No?
Mhm.
Parang at this point of my life, yung bago nga lang ako, I'm 70, remember?
Apo.
So sabi, I'm giving myself 10 more years.
Aha.
I am praying hard to God na meron sana parang miracle therapy
Mhm.
for this people.
I understand, Joy,
Or miracle
with this, I understand that with this sort of people, they respond to someone. Do they respond to you in a very accommodating way? Let's say, uy, pag sinabi mong ganyan, uy, Denny, that's Denny.
Some of them.
Kasi, ang isang pwede natin gawin is to be really demonstrative to them kung ano yung meron tayo. Like, if we really have love na sinasabi to care for them, then we let them show that. We allow them to see that from us, isn't it? Oo. So, probably, it's not a guarantee, pero if they're taking in all of these energies, good energies, isn't it? And then, maybe one day, not necessarily agad, we cannot really force or madaliin yan, pero on their own time, maybe one day, they will just, suddenly happen.
It's also my hope. So one thing, hope is also very important. Because you don't have hope.
Opo.
When you really stop, you just stop.
True. And I understand and agree with that kayo po and tayo as the servers also have to take care of ourselves when we're in front of them also, isn't it? That's why we have to really have this energy with us, this peace with us. Para pag nakita nila tayo, normal man or those who have problems or health issues, they would feel really calm in front of us. They would take that. May mga experiences tayong gano'n na gusto nila kayo kasama kasi kayo ay jolly, you're lively, you're loving, maasikaso. And because they get that from you, look what happens, isn't it? They're learning. And they see from you and they can do that also. But again,
now there's no what do you call this, certainty that
in my own opinion, yes, I do trust na wala pa po. Ang pwede natin gawin, pakita natin yung ating sariling example. Kasi if we put in all of these inputs, ay, naman nila maintindihan yun. Teka, hindi na maintindihan. So,
the whole mix up with their mix.
okay, any other questions? Po, raised up? Wala naman. O, sige, let's have meditation.